Local and foreign foods available at Family Chef. Abasan to a diabo, Adriane Papa Family Chef. Yo Benkua Mutu, Tiosafio, Family Chef. Abequine, all kinds.
Hello guys, I'm so happy I'm in my country. Look, this is how African we get our Spanish. This is really ready one Spanish. Yeah, so it's the back of our house and my mom plants cocoyam. So what I'm going to do is take some of it and make stew with it, right Papa? Stew. I'm so happy. Wow. Okay. Oh, we have to get a knife, right? I can get it without knife. Okay, we Spanish. Because then that's it. Hey, okay. So, Family Chef, I got my greens. Meet me at the kitchen. We are in Africa. We are going to prepare Spanish. So all I have to do is just wash it. Okay, now the Spanish is in the water now, right? Before you wash it, you have to put a little salt. This is real sea salt. Put a little salt on top of it. So if there's any bad things or something on, the salt will kill it. Now this is how it goes. You pile it like that, then you get a big one and fold it. Just fold it like this. Then it get easier for you to cut it. Alright? Come to me now already. You see I have about 3 rounds here. So it's ready to cut it. Okay guys, you remember I told you I'm going to make a agushi stew. I'm in Ghana. I bought a fresh tuna. Everything fresh. I have my agushi, my tomatoes, my onions. You see, my co-pot. Check the environment. Fresh air. The plantain trees are dancing because of the fresh air. So let's go ahead and cook. Okay guys, I have my oil. Oh my god, the oil is too full. Oil go in a pan. All right, this is our momoy goes in with the onions. I'm cooking from Africa, Ghana. So check the crock pot. The fire is so hot. Home sweet home. I mean, I'm so glad I'm here. No matter what, home is home. So the onion goes in first. I'll let the onion brown. Then check here. I have my peppers. Going to blend the pepper, habanero pepper. Goes in. Oh, I put some of the oil on the ground. That's okay. So I'm going to blend it until it gets smooth. I have my Kobe. The Kobe goes in too. So the momoy and the Kobe goes in. Don't forget to check the environment. You see the plantain trees? I'm cooking, but I'm still showing you plantain tree. You see that purple? The plantain is coming out from it. If you don't know how plantain grow, that's how it grows. So the purple one will turn into plantains. So good. Okay. Let's see how our contemporary stew is doing. Do you remember the one I get it from the backyard? All right. Zomene, family chef, I could environment in you. Okay, now you see the pepper. The pepper is going in. Habanero pepper. I ground it by myself. Okay. The tomatoes will go in. Tomatoes will go in. Fresh tomatoes. Cooking from home. Cooking from home. Check the environment. I'm an old budget. That's how we do in Africa. You have to find the fire. Find the fire, right? Find it. find the fire. I'm only missing more bomb here. Hey. Let's add our fish. We have wele. We have mackerel and opoku tuna. So they say Simon, they call it Simon here. Okay, Simon, and opoku and wele. I'll let this bubble, then we'll put our agushi. We are not going to put salt here because we're going to blend agushi with the salt. Okay, I add agushi. Agushi is going in. Hey, now who know agushi na mbobo? Okay. Okay. As I have agushi ni ya papa kakra chen Ghana. Abuti di e nobody bibi from wo teden yo. Hey, Debbie, man, them. I know your friend say in comions, no. Okay, I'm said those one. I am finding okay. This is Siano. Says ya the Yagushina gum. Means I numbium. Udumbo. Notice, don't stare when you put your agushi in, okay? Now you can tell our agushi is formed. All we are going to do is just put the spinach in. Okay, now you can tell our fresh spinach is in. Just stir. Okay, I'm going to cover this and let this bubble for maybe 15 minutes. Then we'll cook with yam. Yes, family chef. I better be cool. Let me dream who are we no so bring bibia come tin be kata so am ato ne bo ase akra 15 minutes. Agushi stew is ready. Family chef, you be bomb pesi papa bi di edi. This is the end of my agushi stew. Let's see what we are going to eat with. Hooray! Cooking from home. My country home. My home country, Ghana. So excited. All right. See you later when I'm eating. You can see how I'm chewing mine. Okay, now family chef is going to eat. Oh my goodness gracious. My goodness gracious. Look at that. Hey, agushi for ya kama o. Me ba yera mpesi enso ni. Ba yera mpesi eno su tuatua. Ajaduane ya yakono. This is the end of my cooking from home video. People are ready. Everybody is ready. Obiamra. Hey, koko also waha. Okay, so if you want to see family chef cooking from Ghana, that is the end of the video. See the wele. Wele tia. Kobe tia. Tia. Me body so okay. My body is so cute. Also okay. Ain't a man for family chef me chia mu me wie meduane no. Afi na me be chiche mu ama nkwala ni nyina bi edi. Na kwala ni aje family chef abafie family chef abafi ebe obi amra medidi de be buy na kyerem hyemum akonno utie dwom na onye bi ni asa nuku se kafra why utie dwom na onye bi ni asa nuku se kafra why be dan na kyerem mo edo okay me ba mo he manim kakra why okay there we go. Bye bye. Happy vacation. Monhwe na monhu say yes. Nyame oyodo. Yes. Inti ene mo ma ba you. Why? E ba sa na ma fon ayekutu de Ma ba wa fa me so. Oh. Next week ndi eni mo de fa ma so.
Family chef, local and foreign food.